A couple months back, we did a video called the 3-wave system. And if you haven't seen that video, how are you even cleaning right now? I'm gonna link it for you down below. It's my secret way of cleaning, the way cleaning experts do it. But anyway, at the end of that video, we asked for your best time-saving cleaning tips. We did a recent video where we released some of your favorites, but in this video, we have even more. We didn't want to put all of them in the first one. So here is the second batch of fan favorite time-saving cleaning tips. You are gonna love these. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so you always know when our videos are coming up in your feed. And give this video a thumbs up if you've ever left a comment on a Clean My Space video. My number one cleaning tip that truly saves me a ton of time is always putting things back after using them. It is now habitual for me. Yeah, people don't like to hear this. I tell my daughter that whenever she leaves a room, she should be taking something with her, a cup, a book, a blanket, shoes, so that when it's time to clean, I literally don't have to do wave 1. So I never really have much tidying up to do. It's more cleaning, dusting, sweeping, and mopping. Thanks so much for your fantastic tips. I shall apply wave 2 and 3. Thank you for enjoying and listening and learning from the 3-wave system and enforcing the fact that having your hands full and always putting something back after you've used it truly is an ongoing time saver and reduces, if not eliminates, the amount of tidying that you have to do. The only thing I do is throw any laundry in so it's cleaning while I'm cleaning. And from somebody who has a professional cleaning background, I can tell you one of the first things a professional cleaner has to do when they get to a home is strip linens and throw them in the washing machine, because that is a long load. And we know we have a limited amount of time to get cleaning done and fresh sheets on the bed. So you are on the right track here. When you're cleaning the rest of your house, definitely get as many loads of laundry done in tandem. Having a nighttime routine, dishes must be done, coffee maker prepped for the next day, load of laundry. So nice to see a clean kitchen first thing the following morning. You are definitely a type A person. Anybody who does this, you are so organized. I am jealous of you that you can be this prepared ahead of time, but honestly, I know some people who are very successful, very type A, very organized, and this is what they do. This is how they are highly productive and how they spend less time struggling to get everything going in the morning. Instead, they can just wake up, be efficient, and get on with their day. So this is a wonderful tip. Best cleaning tip: don't clean something that's already clean. Again, going back to my professional cleaning background, one of the things that we train people on is to have a laser set of eyeballs and to notice if something is clean, I mean really clean, no fingerprints, no dust. Does it actually need to be cleaned, or is it something that you can move on from and clean something that actually requires your attention? There's no point in spending time, and clients don't want to spend money to have something clean that's already clean. So you can apply that very same methodology in your home. If you see something and it's clean, move on. And I actually talk about this in my book. Just move on and get to cleaning something that actually needs your time and attention. Here's a tip for you. Please don't set items on your stovetop unless you plan to cook them. My firefighter husband has been to many fires that started when the stove was accidentally turned on. Stay safe so you can continue bringing us these marvelous videos. This speaks to me on many levels. Not only is it a cleaning thing, but you guys know I am an absolute safety fanatic, and when I heard this, it totally rang a bell. To me, you know, anytime I can help you guys not only stay cleaner, but also wow, English is my second language today. Stay safer at home. I'm gonna bring that to you. And I really appreciate the fact that you took the time to share this tip. So it's a great reminder, your stovetop is not storage. Anything that you're not cooking does not belong on the stovetop. My time saver is actually having little to no decorations sitting openly on my furniture. I have very few items sitting directly on my coffee table, TV stand, desk, and vanity, and I strive to have everything hidden in drawers or behind glass-doored shelves and cupboards. This way I don't have many things sitting and collecting dust, and it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to dust all surfaces in my whole apartment, as I don't have to constantly move things around. So this one is definitely a point that would resonate with people who live the minimalist lifestyle. For some people who really enjoy decor, they might feel that this is a little austere. But at the end of the day, the way that you choose to decorate and set up your home is up to you. And the truth is that the less stuff you have, the less stuff you have to clean. So she does make a really good point here. My tip, my kitchen cabinets don't reach all the way to the ceiling, and the space above it used to get so grimy and sticky between cleanings because, let's face it, we don't clean that space weekly. Once you've tackled that mess, you've lost all motivation to keep going. It's a pretty big job. I remember when I was doing professional cleaning, oftentimes we'd have to get right up there and do that little area, and it truly is disgusting, and it's a lot of work. So what she's done, she says, so I've lined the top with paper towel for years. They absorb any grease and trap dust, and cleaning is as simple as replacing the toweling and wiping the trim. So I actually think this is a great suggestion. You know, sometimes we'll talk about, using something disposable versus using something that's reusable. In this case, I think it's a perfect use case for paper towel because it's serving a purpose. You will remove it at the end, but it has sat there and it has done its job for a long time. So I think this is a great use for paper towel, and it saves you a cleaning task. And frankly, it's kind of like fun to unroll a paper towel, lay it out, set it, and forget it. Clean when you're mad about something. Super nitrous turbo adrenaline cleaning. Okay, and this one got a lot of likes, so clearly a lot of you find cleaning to be therapeutic and cathartic and something that you can use as a method to express your emotions. Amazing. I'm not one of those people. Like, cleaning is the last thing I want to do anytime, any day, so I wouldn't clean when I'm angry, but so many people, I know this resonates with them, so I think it's a great tip. And if you're feeling it, clean. Number one time-saving cleaning tip is to involve the whole family. It cuts the time in half or more. And I would add to that, not only is it time-saving, but it also teaches your kids responsibility. It teaches them that they participate in making the mess, so they participate in cleaning up. I cannot wait until Riley gets old enough where I can start having her assist with the cleaning. She's already getting to the point where she likes to pick items up and put them back in bins, which I think is probably like a good first step when it comes to cleaning. And the other thing I'll say that I've heard from parents who have gone before me is they'll say, you know what, sometimes your kids aren't great at cleaning at the beginning, and it can actually be much more frustrating to watch them or teach them how to clean. But it gives them a sense of accomplishment. It helps them feel that sense of responsibility, and it makes cleaning fun. So it's something that they actually want to participate in instead of, being yelled at or told to clean their room or, cleaning having this negative association with it. So that's a great tip. So now that you know how to save time when you're cleaning, that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, I am a safety fanatic, so this is something I feel like we've never talked about before, but I'd really like to get your opinion on. In the comments down below, let me know your best household safety tips. Whether it's locking up your cleaning products or keeping things off your stove, I want to know how you keep it safe at home. If you want to see what we're up to during the rest of the week, you can follow along on Instagram. I am at Melissa Maker, Chad is at the Chad Reynolds, and the two of us are at Clean My Space. If you like the channel and you want to support us, a great way to do that is to watch another video. And here are a couple I think you're going to love. If you want to learn about our Makers Clean microfiber cloths, you can click this button right over here. There is a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.